How to fix archived stories missing on Instagram. All right, so try these steps. Update the Instagram app to the latest version. Older versions may have bugs causing the issue. Ensure the Save to Archive setting is enabled. Go to your profile, tap the menu, select Settings, Privacy, Story, and toggle on Save to Archive. Clear the Instagram app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iOS, offload the app and reinstall it. Restart your phone and open Instagram again. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram. This will remove any corrupted data causing the problem. With these troubleshooting steps and tips for accessing the archive, you should be able to resolve any missing story archive issues on Instagram. Let me know if you have any other questions. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.